friends, welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Maamoul cookies are famous Middle Eastern cookies filled with dates on a rich, buttery, crisp cookie that's somewhat similar to shortbread cookies. Check the description box below to find the list of ingredients. We have the links below if you want to buy any of the ingredients to make this recipe. In a mixing bowl, add semolina flour, all-purpose flour, whole wheat flour. We are using both flour. You can make this recipe with either one flour. Sugar, salt, baking powder, ghee or clarified butter. Mix well using your hands until the ghee is well incorporated. It should look like coarse cornmeal at this point. Honestly, adding ghee to this cookie recipe gives the rich flavor of the cookie. Slowly add milk and keep working with your hands until it forms a smooth dough. If you add edible rosewater or orange blossom water, it gives a nice aroma to the cookies. If you are using any of these flavors, reduce the amount of milk by half. Now the dough is ready. It feels like a new pack of Play-Doh. Let it rest for about 20 to 25 minutes at room temperature. While the dough is resting, let's prepare the date filling. Add chopped dates to a mixing bowl and knead with your hands. Make small balls and set aside. Let's prepare the dough balls. Usually, Mahmoud are pressed in a wood Maamoul mold. But today, the mold is our hands. Stuff each ball of dough with the date filling. Roll the ball so the filling is fully coated with dough. Shape the balls. We have done this process to all the cookies. Now it's time to put the cookies in the oven. Place the maamoul on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove from the oven. Let the cookies cool down. Store maamoul in an airtight container and keep it on your counter for 2 to 3 days. Maamoul can be frozen in an airtight container for up to 2 months. Enjoy maamoul with a cup of Arabic coffee. What do you call a cookie that makes you rich? A fortune cookie. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye.